Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you? I hope you are happy and safe. Our lesson today is subtract three-digit numbers. In the last two lessons, you have learned how to regroup tens and how to regroup ones. Through this lesson, we will apply what we have in the last two lessons to subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping tens and hundreds. Let's read the story. 355 students are eating lunch in the cafeteria. 166 students bought their lunch. How many students bought their lunch? What do you think in grade 2? How can we find how many students bought their lunch? Yes, of course, we need to subtract. We have 355 students minus 166 students packed their lunch. Let's apply what we have learned in the last two lessons. As you know, we have to start with ones. So 5 minus 6. Can we subtract grade 2? Of course, no, because we don't have enough ones. 5 is less than 6. So we need to regroup. Regroup 1, 10 as 10, 1. So this 5 is going to be 4 and this 5 is going to be 15. Now 15 minus 6 equals what? Yes, of course, equals 9. Now 4 minus 6. Do we have enough tens to subtract grade 2? Unfortunately not, but we can regroup. We can regroup 100 as 10 tens. So this 3 is going to be 2. And this 4 now is going to be 14. So 14 minus 6 equals what? Equals 8. Grade 2. Now 2 minus 1 equals 1. So there are 189 students bought their lunch. So please grade 2, be sure to write this answer in your book. Now let's solve another example. Let's subtract 634 minus 159. We will write the numbers here. So we have 634. And the second number is 159. As always, we will start subtracting with ones. 4 minus 9, we cannot. It's not allowed. So we have to regroup. We will regroup 110 as 10, 1. So this 3 is going to be 2. And this 4 is going to be 14. Now 14 minus 9 equals 5. Excellent, grade 2. The next step is to subtract tens. 2 minus 5, it's not allowed. We cannot. So again, we have to regroup. This 6 is going to be 5. And this 2 is going to be 12. We just have to add 1 here. So 12 tens now. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Now the last step is to subtract hundreds. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So the difference is 475. Now let's solve the question number 1. 431 minus 345. 1 minus 5 equals what? Can we subtract grade 2? Of course, no, we don't have enough ones. So this 3 is gonna be 2. And this one is gonna be 11. Now 11 minus 5 equals 6. Grade 2. Now 2 minus 4, can we subtract? We don't have enough tens, so we need to regroup again. So this 4 is gonna be 3. And this 2 is gonna be 12. Now we have more than enough tens. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Grade 2. Now the last step is to subtract hundreds. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the difference is 86. Let's solve equation number 4. 702 minus 211. Again, we will start with ones. 2 minus 1 equals 1. We don't have to regroup here. Now 0 minus 1. We don't have tens at all. We have to regroup. So this 7 is going to be 6. And this 0 is going to be 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now 10 minus 1 equals 9. 6 minus 2 equals 3. So the difference is 391. Now it's your turn, grade 2, so please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. And here you can check your homework, page number 449 and page number 450. It's the end of grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.